everybody. Thanks for coming back for another knife video. This is Dave. I want to show you my old Kershaw Black Horse that doesn't look anything like it did when I bought it. Here's what it looked like when I bought it. Now it looks like this. And the reason I did it, the factory handle, the rubber handle that it came with, had those finger grooves in it. And although they're fairly comfortable, it really limits the way you can hold the knife, you know. And I don't want the factory dictating to me how I hold a knife. I'd rather be able to grip it in different ways, you know, comfortably. So I really didn't like that aspect of it, that it had those, you know, all those finger grooves. Maybe if it just had like a finger choil, you know, right at the end of it, the handle, that would have been fine. But because of that, I took those off years ago. I made a handle for this knife out of East Indian rosewood, and although it was a real pretty wood and everything, I made them way too thin. And for this size knife, I think it's like a what is it? Well, it's a 3.5 inch blade, and the handle to me just didn't feel right. It was too skinny. Couldn't get a good grip on it. But this is, I guess, the original. It doesn't say Black Horse on it. It says the model number here, 1060. I don't know why I can never get this thing to focus right. But anyway, it just says by Kai, Japan, 1060. It didn't come with the serrated blade portion right here. I did that. It's usable, but I did that years ago because I was cutting a lot of nylon rope with this, nylon line, and I thought that would help me to cut it quicker or whatever, adding the serrations to the blade. But the wood is spalted mesquite, and I just love this chunk of wood, and I wanted to use it for a knife handle. And so yesterday I pulled it out and cut it and shaped it and profiled it and fitted them to this knife. So yeah, it's spalted mesquite. And then there's some really cool spalting right in here, in this section right here. I love spalted wood. I kind of wish it had a little bit more of that throughout. So the finish on this handle is wax. That's all I put on it. I used Minwax, the liquid finishing wax, and let that soak in. And then I did a little light buffing on it with pink no scratch. It's a 2000 grit buffing compound. And then I put some hard paste wax on top, and it has a really nice feel to it. The handle has a really nice feel. And then this is just an aluminum Chicago bolt here, and I forgot, it's been so many years since this knife. I've had it since the 80s, and it's been so long since it had the original handles. I forgot that this actually had a thong hole. It was a hollow rivet, and you can put a thong through it. So I may go back and change this, take this Chicago bolt out, and if I have a piece of tubing laying around the right size, and make it to where I can put a thong on it again. When I had the thinner handle scales, I used that original Chicago bolt for the pivot pin for the blade, and I sanded them down, and so you really can't use the Allen head portion of anymore. So I just took my Dremel with a cutoff wheel and I cut a slot in it so I could tighten it up there. And yeah, it's a nice lock back. Not sure what the Rockwell hardness is of the steel on this thing. Japan, I'm assuming it's something like ATS 34 stainless, which is the equivalent to the US's CM 154, but not really sure. But it holds a good edge. It stays sharp. It's sharp right now. I haven't even touched it up since I put it back together. Yeah, I just finished this yesterday, or actually this morning. I did the wax on it. Yesterday I fitted the handles on it. Piece of spalted mesquite, first time ever working with that wood. I just found a piece of it in my cabinet and loved the grain in it. The wax darkened it up a little bit. It was a little blonder before I waxed it, which I really liked, and I was kind of hoping it wouldn't, but it didn't darken it too much, and made it to where you could just really see the spalting really pops on it, you know, and everything. But anyway, so that's my old Kershaw 1060, aka Black Horse lockback. I've had for years. Just fixed it up, put some new handle scales on it, and yeah, I'm going to start using this knife again. So yeah, if you like Kershaw's, let me know down in the comments. This is the only Kershaw I own right now. I've had a few other ones in the past, but you know, this is the only one that I currently own, and I love it. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and girls, and I'll see you in the next one.